thing weighs like 30 pounds. This is my hand. Oh my gosh. Oh Jesus. You guys better finish this thing today. Because if you waste my 15, my it's Ruby, are you not supposed to be?
Oh my gosh.
Look at that. Part is my favorite part. Just look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. This is good. Just because the watermelon is gonna go to waste, I'm going to make some watermelon juice. So I put the watermelon in here and I'm gonna blend. Using this and this is the watermelon. So let's pour this in. All this I'm able to make out of this is pure watermelon juice, no flavors or anything. This is just pure watermelon. I've been drinking.
And we could have been
drinking.